Eonon.
This unit is running the newest Android 8 Oreo system. You can download any applications in Google Play to access navigation, Spotify, YouTube, etc. It uses the high-end Rockchip PX5 processor, reduced response time, faster app loading, big data storage. All of this is a part of the car stereo with 4G RAM, Octa-core and 32G ROM. No lag anymore. Built-in Bluetooth allows you to connect it to a smartphone for music streaming and make hands-free calls while driving. This unit also features split-screen multitasking, so you can run two apps at the same time. Also, the screen mirroring feature, you can connect your phone wirelessly or via USB cable to access some of your favorite apps directly on car dash. Feel the complete freedom to enjoy a bigger and clearer touchscreen. It does have an optional apps upon navigation, so if you don't want to use navigation through your phone, you can get Google Map navigation here or download iGo, Waze and more. Connect the Eonon DAB radio receiver, you'll be able to enjoy the CD-like sound experience. Also, you can monitor the car performance in real time with the Eonon Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which can be purchased separately.